Greetings students, now we have come to the part 3 of this project. As we can see, this is the homepage we have created in our previous video. We click to see its source code. Here we see that we have 3 hyperlinks in this case, which correspond to 3 of the holy destinations. And in this video we will be creating one of those 3 destinations. We call it holy.txt. Here we will have, again we will mention 3 of the holy destinations in it, which will be clickable images, and then we will enter the information related to them. Here we will be adding the 3 options of 3 temples. We will be inserting the images of 3 temples, and we will be adding those images in our project folder as well. So as we can see, we are declaring this anchor tag and hyperlink reference to this tungnath.html, which is not yet created, but we will be creating that page as well, right? So we already have this image tungnath.jpeg, and we are making this image as a clickable image. This temple is one of the highest temple in the world, highest temple of Lord Shiva in the world. Now we are going to save this document as HTML document. We did not have holy.html up until this point. Now we are creating this HTML as well. So you can see now we have holy.html in this folder, which has images as well. Now this reference which we gave in the beginning, holy.html, will work. Let us click on this holy destination. Earlier it was showing it was giving this file not found, but in this case now we have created holy.html. So we can see the image which is clickable, but we have not made the HTML page for this image. So we will create one more HTML page called tungnath.html. But before that, let us add some other images so that our web page looks, it has 3 options to choose, right? We have 2 more images. Please note that the images and the HTML pages of the whole website will be contained in a single folder. So we are giving the relative reference. We are not giving the absolute address in this case, because they are all in one single folder. So here we can see 3 clickable images, but we have not done the further programming. So we need to add more HTML pages which correspond to these 3 images. Here we will also add an alternate text which will appear in case the image is not displayed correctly. So some of you might delete the image, or sometimes the image might get corrupted. In that case, we will be able to see the alt text, which is the alternate text specified by the alt attribute. So if the image is not visible or there is wrong reference, we can at least see what that image is supposed to be of. Here all three images are properly specified and their relative address is correct, so we can see all the images. Let us purposefully let us make a mistake in the spelling of this image source file, and here we can see alternate text will appear, right? So it is giving the alternate text in case of this image. As you can see, we have given this reference of hyperlink reference of tungnath.html, which is not yet here in our project file. So now we will add another text file for uh, the temple tungnath.txt, and then we will do the coding related to it. Let me fast forward this code to the basic HTML structure. Right, so this is the basic HTML structure, and we straight away we mention the image source in this case. Again, I am repeating at this point that these images need to be in the same folder as the home page of the website. Right, so this is the description of the temple. Let us save this image, save this HTML document as .html. It is right now a text document. So it is a long paragraph, but due to this notepad it is appearing in a very long width, appears as a very long line. Here we save this document as .html. Further we can add the feature of H4, which is displaying this text as a H4 heading, so that the text appears in bold and bigger font. So we can see the change. The text now appears in bold. So students, we are now done with the three web pages in this website. One is tungnath.html, one is holy.html, and they are just a portion of this holy destination menu, right? So what you can do is, I have told you how to complete this project. You can further fill this skeleton with even more information regarding your favorite destinations, and this is just the one menu button of holy destination. You have ecotourism and trekking hotspots. So this is how the project goes. Thank you very much for watching.